Hi, welcome today to Facility Resource Group, Noritz America's commercial booth. We are displaying our Total Tankless Solution. It's the TWST model. That model is tankless with storage. This is a product that we've developed about 16 years ago. I'm the Vice President of Facility Resource Group, which is a subsidiary of Noritz North America Group. And we are building these systems for one point of connection of water, power, building recirculation, condensate, and venting. So it makes the installation go very smoothly. The equipment, all equipment that we build is designed to go through a 3.0, 7.0 mechanical room door. And we actually make wheel kits for these so they can roll into that mechanical room freely with a couple of guys not having to lift this unit. We build these systems from 2 to 24 heaters. They come out of the factory as you see it here today. It is crated and shipped with the accessories that are needed to install this piece of equipment. So you will have your expansion tank size for the system. You'll have your neutralizers also sized for the system. And there will be the controls and the additional pads that you need for service and installation of the equipment. This equipment is manufactured to be able to take the loads of very large buildings that has recirculation, and it's put with storage tanks so we have a hydronic separation between the building and the water heaters. And so we also utilize ECM pump technology, and this pump is used in order to create the flow through the water heaters, and it's sensing the temperature that's in the storage tanks in order to maintain that building circulation loop and the building temperature. And this pump is set on constant temperature. So when the temperature coming from the storage tank starts to go down, we ramp down our water heaters. Each one of these water heaters have a 16:1 turndown ratio. And so what we like to say is we coast to a finish, we don't run to a finish. We also use ECM pump technology for the building recirculation pumps, and those are pumps that we can set the gallons per minute that's flowing through the building in order to meet the demand of the building and not over pump or under pump that circulation inside of that building. Controlling all these pumps are digital controls, and these digital controls we can set 1-degree increments with a differential up to 40 degrees, and that is sensing temperature plus or minus 1 degree. We use a rotary type timer. That timer does have a battery backup, and each one of the pins represents 15 minutes, so you can adjust that timer to have those pumps come on or shut off when the building is not being utilized, and you can do that in 15-minute increments. The battery backup will maintain the time on this timer for up to 90 hours of loss of power. So you're not going to have to go back to reset. So the focus of this is to be able to make the contractor very successful and be able to deliver a customized, engineered system to a building in a very quick and easy and seamless from start to finish.